An elephant is so strong that it can even launch a man to pull off a perfect dunk. Probably, only the heavy elephant can lift a man, but not in a reverse way. But is it always true? Can a baby lift an elephant with some mechanical aids? Sure. We can pull the elephant up by rope via pulleys, and leverage the weight of the baby to lift the elephant. Let's suppose the baby weighs 3.5 kilograms, that means 35 newtons, and the elephant weighs 5 tons, that means 50,000 newtons. For simplicity, neglect the weight of the pulleys and frictions in the pulleys. The magnitude of tension in the rope equals that of the weight of the baby. But obviously, we can't lift the elephant using the current set of the pulleys. Let's add one more pulley and rearrange them. Now, focus on the elephant. The total upward forces are 2 times the tension in the rope. Still, the 70 Newton force has not completely overcome the weight of the elephant. What if we add more pulleys with similar arrangement? Now, the tension in the rope is still 35 newtons. However, the total upward forces become 4 times of the tension, reaching 140 newtons. Plausibly, the more the pulleys attach to the elephant, the larger the upward force exerted on the elephant. With enough pulleys, the elephant can be lifted. So, how many pulleys do we need? Let's observe the relationship between the number of pulleys attached to the elephant and the total upward force. When there is 1 pulley attached to the elephant, the total upward forces are 35 newtons times 2, or equivalently, 2 times 1. When there are 2 pulleys attached, the upward forces are 35 newtons times 4, or equivalently, 2 times 2. Imagine that there are 3 pulleys attached. The total upward forces are 35 newtons times 6, or equivalently, 2 times 3. Now, can you see any patterns here? The total upward force is always equal to 35 times 2, and then multiply by the number of pulleys attached to the elephant. Therefore, we can set up an inequality and fulfill the requirement that the magnitude of the total upward forces should be larger than or equal to that of the weight of the elephant. Finally, we find that at least 715 pulleys should be attached to the elephant. Remember that our calculation does not consider any frictions in the pulleys and the weight of the pulleys. The actual number should be even higher. So, it is totally impractical to lift an elephant using this setting of pulleys. There must be some more efficient setting of pulleys. For example, like this. Let's discuss this pulley setting in the next video.